Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I just wanted to say thank you so much for 13,000 subscribers. That is absolutely insane, and I never thought in a million years people would ever watch my tutorial videos or just videos of me skating, so I really want to let you know that it means a lot to me. And in today's video, I thought I would share what I've been up to over the past couple months. So I hope you enjoy this mini vlog, and I will see you in the next video.